what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Moss. Tim tuning back in. This guy right here is definitely going to be getting a 400 plus horsepower in the coming maybe 2 weeks or so. A little bit of delay because my buddy's flight was canceled, but yeah, you got the front lip, the side skirts on this, your first diffuser as well, and the wheels they're 19 by 9.5. You guys wanted to ask, but I do have the front lip, the side skirts, the diffuser, also in clear white center light, and the tail lights reflectors on my site as well. So if you follow me real quick, so check this out right here. The V3 white tail lights, smoke inside, the clear housing on the outside. This is what makes them bright. And also the diffuser comes in a center white light that you guys are requesting. I finally had them manufactured. People have been ordering crazy on this one, so car's dirty, ignore that. But you got strobing effect, and you also have a solid effect. And I could definitely get you guys a red one too. If you broke a red one that you have, I could get you a red one as well. So that's on my site as well. And reflectors, you have all kinds of reflectors. Now I've launched the reflectors for the 2023 Honda Accord as well. If you guys are interested in getting one or more, check them out. But this video is about showing you the new product on the inside. All right, so this is what we're talking about for the interior. We just launched the car diffuser, oil diffuser for fresheners. You're probably looking at the steering wheel right here, which I also make custom orders, so it's also on my site. Just DM me on my Instagram as well if you want to change it to like a red color or a white stitching, blue stitching, whatnot. Just DM me, I'll take care of you. I do make it for Civics as well, Toyota Camrys. Just DM me on Instagram. This is the packaging. Open it up. You got the manual right there, and I'll show you guys real quick. Oh, it looks like this must be the bottle. You got the charger in case it ever dies out on you, which it will obviously. But this is the padding, non-slip padding on the back side and for the dash, or you could actually put this on the rear windshield as well for the rear side. So if you don't want to have it up front, you could have it in the rear and still enjoy the smell. And this is what it looks like. The logo's right there. It looks pretty dope. What the design is, and the bottom, that's that. That's the charger, and this is gonna be most likely that oil. That's what's missing. There you go. That's the oil right there. It's pretty large in like capacity actually, so it might last you a really long time. They're refillable. All you got to do is go on the site and look for the, it will say refill, so you can, they're refillable, so same title, whatnot, it will just say refill bottle. Just have to open this one up first right here, just like that. And this light right here is for the charging. When you're charging it, this is the indicator light for charging, and this is the intensity, like low to all the way high. Make sure that you put this upside down when you're changing your the oil diffuser. But since it's brand new, I just want to show you guys how it looks on the bottom and top. There's gonna be a cotton in there. Just leave it there because it's actually gonna sink down when you press up, and this is what's gonna allow to get the oil up and touch the sensor on top. And we're going clockwise. Make sure you do it plenty of times before you start to have enough confidence on, oh, I got it. Next thing you know, it drops. So it's tight, it's perfect, and at the top. And remember not to tilt it or anything like that, because you don't want the oil coming out. And we would place this right here in the center, and this is what it would look like. Basically, you can have it anywhere you like, whatever is comfortable for your nice. Actually, the layer back there is even more nicer. Looks pretty dope. And turning it on, just press and hold this button right here. There you go. And now it's on low intensity. There you have it. Again, that's on low intensity. Oh, it smells so great. This is like stress relief therapy in your car, literally, when you're going from home exhausted and tired. This will definitely wake you up, relieve your stress and whatnot. Maybe you have people kind of in your car and might be angry, but once they get in your car, they might cool that down. So yeah, this is really refreshing. Like, damn, made me smile. Probably the cameraman too, did it? But yeah, so that's the intensity level. it shuts off automatically when the car is stopped, and to preserve battery and life and like that. So once you start driving, it will literally go off. Like, since I'm moving it a little bit, it will go based off of intensity. If I had it on really high, it will continuously do it, not all the time, but maybe every, I don't know, 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds, whatnot. But since it's on very low intensity, we can change it up just by pressing it. 3, 4. We'll make it on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. This is a high intensity, so you can see that that's on high intensity. Thinking the car's moving. All right, like every 5 seconds, I would say. So I like it. I'm gonna keep it on low intensity. Oil's gonna last a really long time. Battery's gonna be perfect for it too that way. And plus, it's gonna smell really nice inside the car all the time. But this is what the final product's gonna look like. Probably gonna smell one more time, just like that. Yeah, it's slipping because I didn't remove the padding yet. That's the clear thing off of it yet, but I'm going to in a bit. But yeah, that's that, fam. And this is for my sensors for my my tires. That's also on my site, because we know that we don't have it for our Accords, right? 2018 to 2023, I'm not sure 23, but 22 for sure. I know that we do not have that telling us this is the temperature of the tires. This is telling the tire pressure actually of each front left, front right, rear left. So we're good to go, because if you're having a leak or whatnot, you'll definitely see this thing at like 29 or 30. And we do get that symbol low tire pressure. We usually get that once it hits 25 psi or 26, but that's too late by then, because you want to grab that once it's at like 30. Well, you know you're missing 3 or 4 psi in one tire. You know something's wrong. And then that's it. You get the wireless inflator and the tire repair kit. It's all on the site, fam. So I appreciate support, and this is it. Hope you guys like it. Grab them while you can, because inventory is low, and it's perfect for gift as well. Holidays are coming too. So that's it, fam. You could definitely put this on your office as well, not just the car. Office, home, living room, your bedroom, whatnot. It could be anywhere, so you're good to go. Just links are in the description below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I appreciate support. And subscribing to my channel is pretty much free, doesn't cost you anything. Let's get to 100K and get that silver plaque. Peace out till next time, fam.